our channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about dollar display statement in Verilog HDL. So what is dollar display? Dollar display means print a message only once when the statement is encountered. When the statement is executed, that time whatever value present in the variables that will display. So this session I am going to write the syntax of dollar display, then one example program. What is the response of the program? That we will check. So first I write the syntax of dollar display. Dollar display time equal to percentage 0t comma. So here I am taking two variables, a equal to percentage b, b equal to percentage b, then dollar time a comma b. So it's a syntax of dollar display. So in this syntax I just display the value of a and b at time equal to 0. So 0th time period, what is the value present in a and b? So what value stored in a and what value stored in b? That display using the display statement. Now I am going to write one simple test bench Verilog HDL code. As usual, you write module name tb underscore display. tb underscore display is the module name. So in this program I need to display the two variables a and b, reg a comma b. So these two variable assigned by reg a comma b, then initial begin, initially a value equal to 0, b value equal to 0. So initially let me assume a equal to 0, b equal to 0. If I need to display this value means I introduce the statement dollar display. Dollar display at time percentage 0t, at time percentage 0t, 0th time period of 0, a equal to percentage b comma b equal to percentage b, dollar time a comma b. So in this statement just display the value of a and b at 0th time. Expected output is at time 0. At time 0, what is the value present in a, what is the value present in b? That display on the system. Now a equal to 0, b equal to 0. At time period of 0, a value is 0, b value is 0. Then after 5 time cycle, I may change the values of a and b. A equal to 1, b equal to 1. So after 5 times cycle, I may be change the value of a and b. So once again I display the value of a and b. I just introduce the statement dollar display. Dollar display at time percentage 0t, a equal to percentage b, b equal to percentage b, dollar time a comma b, dollar time a comma b. So already we display the value of a and b at time 0. So here I introduce the delay after 5 times cycle. So 0 plus 5, 5 at time period of 5. What is the value present in a and b? Now a equal to 1, b equal to 1. So this is the expected output of this display statement. End and end module. So this is the simple test bench Verilog HDL code for dollar display. So dollar display means print a message only once when the statement is encountered. So when the statement is executed, if you want to display the value, you just introduce the dollar display statement. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.